Hello everyone. This is my program presentation, and my program is based on online quiz system. Here in the beginning, I have used this tkinter import star. With this, I'm going to give the one message to the user on the window where it's showing like click here to play. So when the user click on that window, so after that root.destroy it will destroy that, and the question will come showing in this shell part. So here in this function new underscore game, the maximum part is done in here because here I have used the correct guesses is equals to 0, which is going to increment when the user will enter the correct answer. And question underscore num, this variable is going to increment the value when the questions are going to increase one by one. So initially it is 1 because I can't take it 0 because the one question 2 and like that it is going to increment. And inside that I have used this for loop where it is going to take the guess of the user, either A, B, C or D, and with this upper function it's either if the user entered small a, then also it will convert it automatically into big A, or like the capital A. So here the correct guesses are going to increment, and here the question underscore num, the question value is going to increase. And inside that new game function, display underscore score is another function which is going to call with these parameters correct underscore guesses and guesses. So for this another function, I'm going to check the value of the question. If the answer which user entered is equals to the guess, so it will be correct and return one value, otherwise it is 0. And in this display score, everything like related to the whatever the score user had scored, like here you can see it is getting the value of question underscore mathematics, and here for the guesses part I have used another for loop. And for calculating the score I have used this formula where like I'm taking the correct guesses, dividing it by the length of the total mathematical questions, multiplied by 100, and I'm taking this in int variable, int data type, and storing it in score variable, and I'm printing this result here. You can see in front of score I'm using this string data type because it is concatenating and showing the result. Your score is whatever percentage. So in the next step, like this file, I didn't make this file score.txt. It will be automatically made by my program, and with this a symbol it is going to put this score, whatever I have written line over there, the same line. So it is going to show me my result and save it permanently in this score.txt. Whatever time I'm going to like run my program, the values will be stored, and I can check at which quiz I have scored the maximum marks. So here, after doing this all the operations in the file, I'm going to close it as well, firstly opening and then closing. And the another option which I'm going to give to my user is if do you want to play again, and storing it in response. And again here I'm using this upper function. So if the response is yes, okay, either like this or in the capital or small, it doesn't matter, so it will return true, else it will return the false value. So that part is done. Now this is the part of tkinter which I imported in the beginning of my program. So what it is doing, it is creating one geometry like the screen which will be displayed, and here with one button I have used click here to play. When we click on there, then it could now command is activated, and then it will destroy which we wrote the command in this quit now function, and then it is going to run through the main loop. So afterwards, the main function, the main part where I have stored my questions and my answers. My questions, the 5 questions that are stored inside this dictionary. You can like guess from this parameter, sorry, the symbol which is parenthesis, and I have stored this is my key, my question is my key, and my value is my correct answer. So I have used this in questions underscore mathematics, which I have used in my previous functions, as you can see. And inside this options underscore mathematics, I'm giving all the 4 options of particular respective questions. Okay, so this is a list, like see, this is also a list, so everything is done under this inside a list. So here again I'm calling this new underscore game function. So if like I already show you, like if user want to play the quiz again, then this infinite loop will be called like while play again. So if want to play again, then again the first function new underscore game, every part of that function will be again started repeating. But if user entered no, or the return is false, then at last print by message will be printed. So now I will give you the quick overview of my program. When we run the command, so it's asking through this window, click here to play. We click here and see everything comes under this shell. So suppose I'm giving it B, and for this I'm giving A, and for this let's suppose C. So here let's suppose we say B, and here suppose T. So see, 60% score is there. So means it means we we had two wrong answers. So this is BAC, so our two answers are wrong. That's why it's calculating 60%. So now if we again want to play, so we will type yes. So it's again asking the question. So let's say C, anything we can give to that. So it's giving 20%, means only one answer is correct, and that is the last one. See, we can check immediately after entering the choice. So here at last it's again asking because the while loop is infinite loop and it is asking again and again. So here I want to came out from my program, I will type no, so it will type by message. So that is the overall concept of my program. And if you want to see the file, so it is also there. Yeah, okay, thank you for watching.